Oh, go over to the food.
No, let them do it.
See, you're hungry. You should have on his paw.
That little boy.
My little boy.
Here's our first meal.
I don't think they know what it is yet.
Nope.
No, don't poop in front of it.
Just I'm making it over to the pad. Puppy puppies! Puppy puppy puppy! Yes! Oh, really?
Oh, jeez.
Good boy.
Way to get him
Chow
all riled up.
time. Come on, it's chow time. They'll either want it or they won't. Oops. Just, hey. Hey. Oh.
Oh, he's like, oh no, it's sticky.
Let's
Wake
get
up.
Fatty out of there. You can't sit in the bowl.
Oh, you're tiny. You're tiny.
And who's
Oh,
the
there we
first
go.
to eat? Because I got it.
I think about you, baby. No, see. Gosh, you're covered in puppy
Oh.
mush.
She says I was swimming in it. I don't think I want it. Oh. Yum.
See, this one he's licking his face because it has it on it. But you need to go into the bowl.
They're licking each other.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, you're so good.
Right here, bub.
Says,
Oh
"You
man,
got
you're a
some?"
little stupid. You just got character.
Character.
Oh.
Like, whoa.
What are you doing all the way over here, Chunky?
There she goes. She's going to push in. She says, wait. There's everyone so excited. First meal, yes.
Success.
What?
Oh, jeez.
Oh, had to do your business. Good boy. Good boy. There you go.
Yeah, you're not figuring it out yet. Let's go. Oh, eat the bowl. Oh, you're just gonna walk all over everybody?
Says I'm just going to get in the middle here. He's not eating, he's just getting
He's
in
just
the
on
middle.
top of everybody. Because, oh, now he's eating.
Is he?
Maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah, figured it out, huh, buddy?
She says, I like milk, thank you.
Well, they're gonna need baths now.
Yeah. Oh, goodness. Look at this one's messy feet.
This one's laying in it. Way to go. Winner. Bless you.
Excuse me. This is why we put newspaper down.
Mm-hmm.
Their first meal, they're always so messy.
Pretty adamant there. Yeah, still looking at other people's faces. Eat out of the bowl. It's better that way, trust me. Oh, there's a poor little black one over there.
Messy, messy, messy.
You don't do that. You don't do the solid food yet.
She says, I'm just waiting for my mom.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, Charlie Brown.
He's looking for food. No, no, no. We're not gonna do that. See. Alright, bye babies. I'm gonna go take a shower.
There's this big one right in the middle.
A big
Oh,
white
that's
one?
my
Oh.
girl. My black girl. Oh, look at that puppy. Look at what a mess that puppy is. He's got food everywhere.
You're gonna get past your mouth.
No.